Hi, welcome to this Introduction to ERIC, the Education Resource Information Center, put together by the Department of Education. This is actually a free and open database that you can get to at eric.ed.gov, but there are a few advantages to accessing it from the library website, and I'll tell you that as we go along. So to access it through us, log in to the single sign-on from the library homepage, and then click on the EBSCO icon. You'll see a list of all the databases available through EBSCO, but scroll all the way to the bottom and then put a check mark next to ERIC and hit continue. You can start your search by doing a general keyword search. Put whatever words seem relevant into the search box and hit enter or the search button. We got 115 results here. Now let's look at the actual subject headings. It says Jews and day schools. So if we want to make a more focused search, we can do that. So instead of the keyword search, we'll put our words in fields and then select the subject descriptors. Or subject headings. You can also search in the title field, author, journal title, from the abstract, lots of different choices there. We can also limit the searches we get. On the left, you can see that we can limit it to full text or peer-reviewed items, and we can pick articles within a certain span of years. Under the search boxes, there are some other different filtering options. You can filter by the journal title, education level, intended audience, language, whether it's from a journal or a document, and the publication type. If you're having trouble finding appropriate subject terms by this hit and miss keyword search, you can go to the Thesaurus located at the top of the screen. This will give you an alphabetic list of terms. And if they're not terms that are commonly that are not used as official subject headings, it will give you the one to use instead. If you want to use the term directly, like ability, you can check that box and then click above it where it says add. So you can say and fill in your operation and then add it. Or you can also click on the term to get more information about it. So clicking on ability grouping will tell you the scope note, which is a short description of what the term is, and then it will give you other related terms to that. So you can narrow your focus even more. Okay, once you have a list of results, how do you actually get to the articles? Well, some of them, like this top one, say full text from ERIC. So that should be accessible whether you got into ERIC through HUC or from the free government site. Unlike the one at the bottom, which says linked full text, that means that we can only get it because HUC subscribes to that journal or to another database which includes that journal. So that's something that you would not be able to get from the free site. And what if there is no link to the full text? Well, you would use the resource request form from your home campus library, and we will do our best to get it to you from another library. Going back to your result list, you can also mark them to save or sort for later. Click on the little folder icon with the plus sign to pick which ones you're interested in. And then at the top of the screen, click on the folder, and that will give you the list of all the ones you selected. And from there, you can print, email, save as a file, or export. As always, if you have any questions, email your local librarian, and our contact list is on the library website, or chat with us on the library widget from any of the library pages.